Hi there! Discover the Bakeesy 14-inch wooden rolling pin, set featuring 5 adjustable thickness rings for perfect dough every time. This roller pin comes with precision rings in 5 sizes, letting you easily roll out pizza, cookie, pastry, ravioli, or clay dough to your exact preference. The set includes a silicone baking mat that doubles as parchment paper and helps guide your rolling for consistent results. You also get handy silicone accessories like a spatula for precise cake prep and a brush for glazing or greasing pans. Crafted from high-quality sustainable beech wood and BPA-free, food-grade plastic and silicone, this set offers durability and safety. Whether you're a professional or passionate home baker, this kit enhances creativity and baking enjoyment. It also makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves baking and crafting delicious treats. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.